Hi, this is Pauline, reporting to you for Pauline's Travel Journal. Today, we woke up and had breakfast, and then, after a great swim in a really freezing pool, we went down to Castle Fiorentino, which we thought was going to be a castle, but turned out to be a town. That's okay, though, because the town library had gorgeous, beyond belief frescoes. I mean, take your breath away. There was one that was like a whole room of just nativity scenes, and then they showed you in the other room like steps of making one on some of the boards. It was really, really neat. And after that, we came home and had lunch with Uncle Chris. We had pizza. After that, we went for another good swim. This time the pool was pretty warm. Finally, we had a delicious dinner. We had white wine, spinach, and chicken mushroom. And we also had some corn and a delicious mozzarella salad. After that, we went upstairs and started to get ready for bed. I slept pretty well, but it was really, really cold. This is Pauline, signing off.